Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'll be showing you all very easy and quick hair pack and face pack. And the best part is that it is 100% natural. Not just that, it is very effective. And also, this is so simple that even hostelers can make it at their place. So let's get started. First of all, let's prepare face pack, which gives nice glow to our skin, because the very first ingredient we are going to use is coffee powder, and coffee powder has got lot of antioxidant properties to it, so it gives nice glow as well as helps to reduce dark spots and wrinkles. And then we need aloe vera gel. As we all know, aloe vera gel is very good to make our skin soft, smooth and supple, and also it gives it makes our skin nice, hydrated. So it's very good because it makes our skin moisturize. Now this face mask gives nice glow to our skin, and also on this summer it is very beneficial. Next we are going to make hair pack. For that we need one egg. So egg has got a lot of proteins to it, and then we need fresh milk, fresh cream. I've taken the one from Amul. You can take any brand of your choice, or else you can make it at home as well. But then since we want this recipe to be very simple, that's the reason I went with store bought fresh cream. So all we need is just mix these both together very well. If you want, it is optional, you can add 2 tablespoons of glycerin as well, because glycerin again is very good for our hair. So basically this hair mask is to make our hair soft. So it is to make our hair smoother. So this is for our hair basically. So if you are looking for a good texture hair, this would be the best hair mask to go for. But then it is not that beneficial for hair growth. It is good for hair growth as well, but then it is more beneficial for having a smooth and soft hair. Okay. Now so when you are applying to your hair, make sure that you comb your hair very well so that there are no tangles at all. And since this hair mask is for our hair, I will be applying a little bit of oil to my scalp and then giving a good massage, so that my scalp is again very well moisturized and hydrated. And olive oil is something which helps for hair growth, so that's the reason I'm giving a good massage to my hair onto my scalp. Just try to put your hair like all down in like an inverse method. If you massage your hair in inverse direction, it is gonna help to have that blood circulation. In that way, it is gonna help to grow our hair in a better way. And then after that, again comb your hair so that there are no tangles at all. After that, just take this mixture of hair pack and then just apply to your hair. If you want, you can even apply to your scalp pack. Oof, I'm sorry guys. If you want, you can apply to your scalp as well. But then, as I said, it is more beneficial to make our hair softer and smoother. So it is better if you can apply all the hair mask to your hair itself. Okay, once it is done, just put this hair all up in a bun and let it be there for good 20 minutes. Okay, after that you can wash it off with like a mild shampoo and conditioner. And one more thing, it is gonna be a messy process because this hair mask is very liquidy. So try to just just take this hair mask to your washroom and then apply it, so that your floor won't get dirty. So that's it, just apply it. Make sure that you apply a good coat of this hair mask, and trust me you guys, this is gonna show you a good result in one wash itself. But if you use it regularly, it is gonna give you better results. Obviously it's natural method. Overnight it's not gonna give some magic, but then definitely it's gonna show some result for sure. Good result. Okay, after that, this face mask just apply to your face. Again, this face mask is something which gives a nice glow to your face, to your skin, just in one use. But then if you use it for a very long time, it would help to reduce black spots and wrinkles and all those things. As I said, natural remedies do take time, so we need to keep the patience, and we need to have that hardworking mentality when it comes to hair care and skincare, natural hair care and skincare. Okay, now I'm gonna wash off my face with basin, and my hair I'll be taking this Khadi shampoo and conditioner. It's a very affordable mild shampoo and conditioner. I absolutely love it. We would get it for just 150 rupees, and I think this is the best mild shampoo you can get it in affordable range. Obviously my favorite are the one from Plum, but then they are expensive. I think it is around 800 bucks, and the Wow shampoo is of I think 600. Yeah, this one is very affordable. Now I'll be preparing one gel to apply to on my hair. For that I've taken aloe vera gel, Khadi aloe vera gel. To that I've added lavender essential oil, just 2-3 drops, and then tea tree essential oil, again 2-3 drops. That's it, and then give it a good mix. So this is what I'm gonna apply to my hair after I've taken the shower. So once my hair is wet, and that at that time itself I'll be applying a good amount of this gel to my hair, so that it acts as a good protection on my hair. Especially when we are going out, there is a lot of pollution and sunlight, so just to protect our hair from that, it is better if you can just apply this hair. If you do not have time, just go for a hair serum, or maybe if Pantene oil replacement one is there, no, you can go for that as well, but then this is more natural and better. And for face, once we have washed off that face mask, you can apply a toner. I'm using this like a greenberry toner. I do not remember the name, but I'll be leaving all the links in the description box, so please do check it out. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this moisturizer. It's a very affordable moisturizer, especially if you are of oily skin person. I mean, this moisturizer is very good, you guys. But then, sorry guys, if you are of dry skin, you can try it out. If you are of oily skin, I think it would make your skin more oily. I'm so sorry guys. So that's it, your skincare is done, and once my hair is dry, this is how it looks like. You can see that my hair is really soft. I've been trying out this hair mask for a very long time. I think I have used it for minimum 10 to 15 times. Definitely because of that, my hair texture has changed a lot. So I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you all know what to do. Please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in the next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all, bye bye.